Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you what to do if you have added an item to your shopping bag but you have changed your mind and you don't want to purchase it now, but you wouldn't like to delete it either, so you want to save it for later so that you might purchase it later on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the shopping bag icon that you can find down below. That's the last option. As you can see, there is one piece of clothing added to your shopping bag. So if you would like to save it for later, just simply scroll to the left side of the screen and tap on save for later. So now it has been added to your wish list, and you can find it to the saved for later section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.